tell me I've just like spent ages painting the wrong shutters.
I've got all the records on.
I'm really worried that these are the wrong shutters now, for the wrong window. Do you remember those shutters, the ones that everyone told us not to have commercially dipped and stripped, otherwise we'd completely wreck them? Well, this week we're restoring all of the shutters in the library and hopefully reinstalling them, if I can remember how they go back together and in what order. So just a quick recap, they are original 19th century pine shutters, and the key is that they're pine and not oak. They could withstand the dipping process and not be completely destroyed. Saying that, you guys warned me that it might loosen some of the glue at the joints, and that did happen in a couple of places, but I've repaired those now and these are looking okay. I've given them a coat of primer and undercoat, and next I need to give them a couple of coats of eggshell and the window frame. So hopefully this will be the first panelled window in the house to be restored to her former glory.
Okay.
Oh, have you been for a run?
No.
Oh,
But I am wearing my...
they didn't even hear you come in.
I came in all sneaky like.
Oh.
I came in through the other door.
That window frame is looking so much fresher just after one coat of paint. So I'm going to give it 2 more coats, and I really need to get my skates on today. I'll show you why. So David has started tiling the hallway, which is looking amazing. But look what's going to happen when he gets to here tomorrow. This is a library. So I'm going to be essentially trapped in here if I don't hurry up and finish this before he comes back tomorrow. Luckily, the shutters I can just pick up and take to another room to finish painting. Can't do that with the window frame though. So my plan today is to paint at the speed of light the window frame and aim to get it, I'm not going to get it finished today, but nearly finished, because I'm really excited about putting the shutters back together and getting them reinstalled in this room.
I mean,
some of it's a little bit stiff.
it's functional. So what have we got? We've got these little hinges. There's 2 kinds of hinges. There's these little ones which go between the inner shutter and the outer shutter.
Oh, these turned out nice, and then these.
And they're big ones, which
Yeah.
I go against the wall, I assume?
Yes.
Like thusly. Okay, well, it seems like these will probably be alright. We'll give them another lubricate before we put them on, but I'm actually surprisingly happy with these. Well, it's all here. We've got this plate for... This was fixing the top shutters to the bottom shutter, wasn't it? Where there were shutters top and bottom.
Yeah, that's literally the notch for them.
Actually, it's not.
No, it's not. Oh.
That suggests to me we've got the wrong hardware here. Still doesn't fit. So I don't really know what's going on there, but none of them fit in that gap. So we're going to have to...
These can only be the shutters for this room. That's so weird.
We should probably triple check.
I'm really worried now.
In future, can we triple check which shutters we've got and which hardware we've got before we start the painting?
Oh, don't tell me I've just like spent ages painting the wrong shutters.
I've got all the records on.
I'm really worried that these are the wrong shutters now for the wrong window.
That does seem like a plausible concern, doesn't it, at this point?
I'm really paranoid that we've
The
got
shutters have
wrong
been confused.
shutters.
Well, that's possible. They've been moved around so many times over the last 2 years, and I've not checked the markings recently.
Well, they've been sifted around
Yeah.
from pillar to post, haven't they?
I warned about this at the time, and I was told in no uncertain terms that they'd not been muddled up. Can you tell I'm grumpy today? No, I'm sure we can recheck the markings.
These shutters do look a lot like the landing ones.
That would be worse if someone somehow modelled up the shutters between rooms.
Oh, they were all upstairs at one point in a big kind of jumbled heap.
It seems almost certain that these shutters don't go with this hardware.
Oh no!
So, before, well, not before we took the shutters down, after we took the shutters down, the first thing I did was that I punched this series of holes into the top of each shutter. So there's a double hole here, and then there's a series of dots going along. And those are spaced 1 centimetre apart, and each one is just a binary number, which I've then got a list of which number is which shutter and where they go. So with the aid of a little metal ruler and some post-it notes that we scored the numbers on, I can work out which shutter is which. Well, it seems like we probably have got the right parts for these shutters.
Go for that.
And I think those joining bars will fit somewhere.
We'll make them fit if they won't fit.
Just going to try and get them.
Do you want me to give them a good buff for you?
Sure. We need to get the worst of the oil off first, otherwise the microfiber cloth is just going to be soaked in oil immediately.
Should I get another empty towel box if there is one?
They're in the skip.
Oh.
What about drum and breakfast? It's like bed and breakfast, but there's a constant drum and bass soundtrack.
No, dead and breakfast.
I think we're best off fixing them together in pairs first, but we need to work out which ones actually go together. I think this is number 7. Every single one of these bits of hardware is handmade, and they're all different.
So they don't all quite line up?
Correct. Hopefully for each shutter, one of them fits better than the others. What sizes do we have?
4 by 30.
4 by 25 is what we need for these smallest ones. Well, we're going to need something smaller to go in here. So that's definitely going to punch all the way through. No, 15. Oh, this is 25. I think we need 15.
Unless I dive into town and buy some lunch somewhere and bring it back along with the screws.
Oh, you'd be abandoned class if you would. It's not coming back ever. Yeah, see, that's a problem. It's supposed to go back flat, but it can't because these screws are protruding way beyond the hinges. And that is a fairly serious problem. Well, there's a couple of answers. One would be to use different hinges. On the other hand, these ones I don't think will be able to replace the hinges or want to replace the hinges. But I think they'll be okay.
We have some newer version of those hinges somewhere.
Yeah, we do.
We could try them, couldn't we?
So yeah, these need to be able to fold all the way back flat on themselves. And yeah, the existing holes are really too big for these screws.
So we can do it.
Looks like it'll work if I use smaller screws.
Yay! Yes!
Well, there are 2 options. Either we try and fill all the holes and start again, or we just move the hinges slightly. They should go, but it just doesn't.
And we've got the right shutter, haven't we?
Also, even with those shorter screws, there's still a screw sticking through the back, I just noticed. The infuriating thing is, I bet if I take this off and put screws in, it will fold back flat.
Is it worth trying a different hinge with those screws?
Well, we need all the hinges to work, don't we, really?
I guess so.
Well, the other option is I could try countersinking the hinges a bit more.
Yeah? Have you got a tool that will do that? Sorry, fella.
I've got a tool that might do that. I think I will be able to use these more modern screws with these old hinges, but I just need to countersink each hinge a little bit more. I've got a tool that seems to be able to do it. So I need to just countersink these out until the new screws sit nicely into each hole. This is a brand new countersink bit. We'll just have to see how long it lasts against steel. But interestingly, I'm fairly sure all these screws are countersunk now, and that hinge still doesn't go comfortably all the way back on itself. So I don't actually think that it was the screws in the end.
You don't need to make a pilot hole first, you can just screw the screw straight in.
Actually, I do need to make a pilot hole. I did screw the screw straight in the other ones, and I regret doing that because it's slightly split. So I do need a pilot hole drill, which I don't have, because that would be too organised. Right.
This whole thing's pretty unorganised so far, isn't it?
I think I'm worrying about nothing. There's loads of room behind.
Oh, that's good.
That may even mean that this doesn't need to.
The countersink thing.
Yeah. Everything I do is just damaging the hinges and the shutters slightly more.
They're not going to be like how they were 200 years ago when they were new. I wouldn't like stress it too much from that point of view. Oh, well done.
And it doesn't go all the way back, but it doesn't. It turns out it doesn't really need to. Hinges nice and smoothly. So that one's a success. So these ones I'm having much less trouble with. They fit nicely. These hinges are the only thing saving my sanity today. I might not be saying that when it comes time to try and attach them to the wall, but for now at least, they're nice and tight, they're nice and flush. They should be good.
He was about to wee on the camera.
Oh, was he?
Yeah.
You've got a handful of space block things.
Yeah.
There was a pile of set on the stairs.
Is that all right with you two? Can I borrow some of your spacer block things?
Yeah. They are mine.
Oh, sorry. They're Dave's. He's lending them to us. You need the
I need actually very little.
grey?
I don't know. Try it. Yeah. Maybe even less. Try white.
The white?
Yeah. Green. Yeah, I think that's it.
You want another one?
No.
Okay.
The hinges are hitting the wall. I don't know why they're now hitting the wall and didn't do that before, but that's just how it is.
Oh, I see. Is it a little bit high? Because if you look there, you can almost see where there's like a notch that goes in to accommodate the
Oh, it
hinges.
is high. I had to move the hinges, didn't I? I had to move that one higher and that one lower.
That's why,
So that's
isn't
why.
it?
That's going to have to be notched out.
So let's just do what they did then 200 years ago, whatever, and notch it out.
Yeah, we can do that. Because even before it gets that far, there's resistance. Can you see it?
They look weird on the outside for some reason.
I imagine you're just seeing the juxtaposition of old shutters with new windows.
And also, it's only going to latch the top ones closed at the moment, isn't it? Open at the moment. Because they're not going together, are they?
That's true.
See. Oh!
What?
That one. Oh no, not quite.
No, it's the same. Oh,
Okay.
slightly rubbing together. Oh wait, they have built-in latches. We don't need the stupid, the stupid bars that they put in. Proper latch. Badly. Okay, someone's going to have to fix that as well. Hitting the top. Oh, same on that side. If we actually want them to be functional, then. Yeah, there are a few alignment issues here that need fixing. Yay, it's not sticking at the bottom anymore. That goes in nicely. That goes in nicely. But it doesn't actually lock. No, I don't know why not. It's like it's not going back far enough, maybe.
It's just not clicking.
It's just not clicking in. Sadly, it won't stay there on its own. There's like pressure coming from somewhere.
So what's the solution?
I don't know. I think I see the problem here.
Apologies as our camera ran out of battery towards the end there. It's a couple of days later, I'm back, and to cut a long story short, we were here for a further 2 hours just troubleshooting, adjusting the shutters, sanding away a little bit at a time until they just fit perfectly, and they're fully functional now. We've also installed their original brass knobs and they are looking beautiful. Let me remind you what they looked like before, and I don't just mean the window but the room before, because this room has been on quite the journey. And this is how they're looking now. Thanks for watching, and as always, please subscribe for future updates. See you next time.